This is our first hydroponic test farm. The main goal of this project is to offer a hands-on testing ground for AquaShield or smart device designed for controlling and monitoring indoor farms and greenhouses. We have two growing spaces, each spanning 30 square meters. The first is already up and running, while the second is still in the works. Additionally, there's a third unit on site, the propagator. Now let's head over where our plants begin their journey. Before moving to the towers, plants start here. Seeds are planted in rock wool. Rock wool is perfect because it is pH neutral and retains the right amount of moisture for the roots. AquaShield takes charge in this controlled environment. It sets the temperature, oversees the grow lights and runs the ebb and flow pump, ensuring the seedlings get the right amount of nutrients and water. The monitoring feature of AquaShield is vital. If things aren't right, it alerts us. For example, if it gets too hot, the built-in fan kicks in to cool things down. After about 2 weeks, the seedlings are ready to move to the hydroponic towers. But these seedlings have already graduated from the propagator. So let's head back to the primary growing space. Here we have 14 hydroponic towers, and each tower hosts 80 plants, amounting to more than 1,000 plants in this room alone. Right now we are focusing on lettuce, particularly a variety of Lolo Rosso, but this setup can support almost any type of leafy green. Below we have our nutrient tank that supplies the essential nutrients and water to our plants. The nutrient solution is pumped to the highest point in the room, a pipeline along the ceiling. From there, gravity takes over. The solution flows down through the towers, hydrating and nourishing the plants. Any unabsorbed solution gets collected in a pipeline below and is channeled back to the nutrient tank, completing the cycle. This room also houses two other key systems, ventilation and grow lights. Our ventilation system can refresh all the air in the room in just 30 minutes. The grow lights emit the ideal spectrum for these plants and can run up to 18 hours daily if needed. In this main space, AquaShield's role is even more central. It is the farm's guardian, tracking everything from pH and EC to the temperature of the air and nutrients. It also manages our lights and pumps, ensuring ideal conditions 24/7. Using smart wireless sockets, we can easily integrate different devices without the mess of wires. AquaShield also offers remote access. This means we can check on things anytime from anywhere. Its alert system keeps us informed, so if something's amiss, we are the first to know so we can act swiftly. We have plans to upgrade the AquaShield. The next upgrade will include dosing pumps for exact pH adjustments, a power sensor for detailed light tracking, and the new module to monitor the air quality. Hydroponics is all about controlled, efficient growth, and with AquaShield on our side, we can streamline the process, ensuring top-notch results.